everyone, I'm Sophie.
And I'm Deborah.
And we're the authors of
Overcoming Overthinking.
36 Ways to Tame Anxiety for Work,
School,
and Life. And today we're on tip number 31.
We're so close to the end.
So tip number 31 is call a professional. Yeah.
Yeah.
And so I want to talk a little bit about an experience I had yesterday. So I've been doing pretty well during this quarantine. I mean, obviously like normal levels of anxiety, but I still checked in with my psychiatrist and we had a 30-minute conversation about everything that's going on. And even though I'm doing well and don't feel the need to call a professional, I felt like it's an important thing to constantly do and check in.
And so what made calling a professional different from just talking to your mom?
Well, I paid her.
I think I paid her.
Whatever.
Okay.
And she's not personally invested in any outcomes.
Right. Yes, that's true.
You're invested in my life.
Yes, I've got opinions.
You got opinions.
I got opinions.
She doesn't have any other opinions besides my well-being.
Okay.
No offense.
None taken. And what else made checking in with a professional different from checking in with your mom or friends?
She knows what she's doing. She asks different questions as if she's not here and knows all the answers.
Yeah.
So she's able to share a little bit of a different perspective.
Mm-hmm.
And also, like, calling a professional doesn't necessarily mean calling a psychiatrist. Like,
yeah.
If you're anxious about working out, you can call a professional trainer.
Yes. Yeah.
Or, like, there's a professional for everything you might need.
That is true.
Call my mom. She's a professional coach.
Yes. Thanks, hon. You can call a professional organizer if you're feeling like you haven't quite figured out your home office space. You could call a chef for some tips.
Professional dog trainer.
Professional dog trainer. Oh, we need that.
We have that.
We have that. Hi, Katie. Anyway, so tip 31 is call a professional. And we look forward to seeing you tomorrow for tip 32. Thanks.